Hello and welcome students to this video lecture. This video is on syllable and its structure. It is the part of your syllabus of Sem 3, paper CC6, Unit 3. Let us first define the term syllable. Syllables are the larger organized sequences of sounds that are produced as a single unit while speaking. In other words, the units or sections into which we divide the word while pronouncing them are called syllables. Let us understand with the help of these examples. The first word, park, is a monosyllabic word. That means it has a single syllable, or the sounds of this word are pronounced as a single unit. There is no different section in this word. So it is a monosyllabic word. Park. In the second word, funny, it is a disyllabic word and we have two syllables. So the sounds in this word are divided into two different units. I have used different colors to mark out the two different syllables of the word. Funny. We break this word into two parts while pronouncing it. Similarly, in the word represent, it is a trisyllabic word. That means three different units of sound are there, or the sounds in this word are pronounced in three different units or are divided into three different sections. That's why it is a trisyllabic word. Words with more than three syllables are called polysyllabic words. The realization of syllable is natural or intuitive. That is, a native speaker or one with a good language competence can easily tell the number of syllables in a word intuitively. Syllables can also be explained in terms of airstream mechanism, as we know that for the articulation of the sounds of English, we use pulmonic airstream, that is the air coming out of our lungs. So in the production of speech, the air comes out of lungs, but it doesn't come out in a continuous stream at a constant pressure. The muscles of the chest put out the air in small puffs at the rate of approximately 5 times a second, and each puff of air produces a syllable. So I hope it is clear that why syllables or sound units are there, and the bigger the word, the more the number of syllables, as more air is required in its articulation. And the air coming out of our lungs is released in small puffs. That's why we pronounce small sections of sounds at a time. So here I'll give you a word. So in this word, anti-disestablishmentarianism, you have to count the number of syllables and comment down how many syllables are there in this word. And to check your answer, you can visit howmanysyllables.com. Now that you understand the term syllable, let us look at the structure of syllables. The structure of syllable can be represented by the formula CVC, where C stands for consonant and V stands for vowel. A vowel is a necessary part of a syllable. Each syllable will definitely have a vowel, and it may or may not have consonants preceding and following the vowel sound. The syllable is denoted by sigma. The syllable is a unit of pronunciation consisting of a vowel alone or a vowel with one or more consonants. So here I have some examples for you. The word I, it has the diphthong I. So it is just a vowel. And then in the next word we have CVC. In the word back we have ba, that is a consonant, a, that is a vowel, and again ka, that is a consonant. So The structure of this word is CVC. In the word die, we have the consonant D and then the diphthong or the vowel or the impure vowel I. So we can represent this word as CV. In the next word ink, we have E sound, which is a vowel, and then ing sound, and then k sound. Those are consonants, so it can be represented as VCC. So in this way, a vowel can be at maximum can be preceded by 3 consonant sounds and followed by 4 consonant sounds. So the maximum possible consonant cluster in a syllable is 3 consonant at the beginning, then a vowel, and 4 consonant at the end or at the back of vowel. There can't be more consonant in this. So now let us look at the terms related to syllable structure using the example of this word street. So this word street is a monosyllabic word, and that means it has a single vowel sound, and then there are 3 consonant sound before the vowel and then a consonant sound following the vowel. So all the vowels consonant sounds before the vowel are known as onset. They are in the onset position. So the sounds s, t and r are onset. And then there is rhyme. So rhyme is basically the nucleus plus coda. The nucleus is the vowel sound and coda is the consonant sound following the nucleus or following the vowel. So now you know the position of onset, rhyme, nucleus and coda. Nucleus is necessarily a vowel sound. However, there are some words where consonant acts as a nucleus, and those are known as syllabic consonant. So m, n and dark l sound can only act as a nucleus in a syllable. And now we have the concept of open syllable and closed syllable. So this syllable street is a closed syllable because there is a consonant sound following the vowel. That is, there is a sound at the coda position, that is the t sound. If vowel sound is not followed by any consonant sound and the vowel sound is the last sound in the syllable, then it is a open syllable. Let us look at some more examples. We have this word comb here. In this word, as you can see, the letter B is there, but then there is no B sound in the word. That's why it is important to transcribe the word before making the syllable structure. So it is a monosyllabic word. In this we have 3 sounds: K, O and M. So the first is consonant sound, the second is a diphthong, and then the third is again a consonant sound. So in this we first divide the syllable into onset and rhyme. Onset is the consonant before the vowel, and then rhyme is the remaining part, that is the vowel and the consonant. And then rhyme is divided into nucleus and coda. So the nucleus is the vowel sound O and the coda is the consonant sound M. and it is a closed syllable because the coda position is fulfilled, that is the vowel sound is followed by a consonant. That's why it is a closed syllable. In the next example, kitten, I've put a dash to show that in this word we have two syllables. So for a two-syllabic word we will have two different structure for each syllable. So for the first syllable we have k and e sound. So that is a C and V. So for this, in the onset position we have the k sound, and in the rhyme we will break the rhyme into nucleus and coda, and then in the nucleus section we'll write the e sound, but in the coda section, because this vowel is not followed by a consonant in this syllable, which is ki, C, V, in this, because the vowel is not followed by a consonant, so the coda position will be left empty, and then that's why this will be called as an open syllable, because the nucleus is not followed by the coda. Okay, and then we have the second syllable, tin, kitten. So in the structure of the second syllable, in the onset position, that is the consonant before the vowel is t, and then you can here say that there is no consonant in this, or there is no vowel sound in this syllable. But then, as I've told you earlier, that the n sound, m sound, and the dark l sound or the l sound can act as a syllabic consonant or can be the nucleus of a syllable in some words. So in this section, in this part of the syllable, in this syllable, we have n sound acting as the nucleus of the syllable. So in the onset position, we have the t sound. In the rhyme, we break it into nucleus and coda, and in the nucleus section, we have the syllabic consonant n. And in the coda position, since the n sound is not followed by any other sound, so it will be left blank. So since the coda position is empty, so this is an open syllable. Okay, so I have given you different examples so that you can know the syllabic consonant, where a consonant acts as a vowel, and then you also have words where you feel like there are two vowel sounds, but then they are actually a single diphthong. Okay, so whenever in a word, if you feel that there are two vowels in a unit of sound while pronouncing, that is two vowels in a syllable, then those two syllables are necessarily the diphthong and not the pure single two different vowels, but a single diphthong or the combination of two vowels. Okay, so this was it for this video lecture. Hope you understood the syllable and its structure. So thank you for tuning in. Keep learning and do well in all your upcoming exams, and continue this process of learning and utilize your time well. Thank you.